At the MOT, they do not go into details, whatever is going on. What they see is what they put on the sheet. And on the last MOT of this vehicle, as I was inspecting it, it did said about some mist on the shock area and stuff like that. So I've come to my friend Trevor at Avis Auto, Letchworth, one of the best mechanics in Letchworth, and he's allowed me to do a quick video underneath this vehicle. And what you can see here is a good example of how the underneath should be. Just want to reiterate that what the MOT put on is that there is a mist on the shock area. And that doesn't necessarily mean there is something wrong with the shocks. It just means the MOT tester is seeing a mist. The car could have gone through rain or truly wear and tear. There could be oil around that area, or it could be that particular part is failing. And this is why maintenance is important, where you clean the areas and make it clear for the MOT tester to see, because they're not going to clean it for you and find out whether this mist is coming from there. When they see oil somewhere, they just put there is oil leakage. So just bear in mind what this means. So we check in the underneath, and myself and Trevor were very happy with what the underneath is looking like for the age of the vehicle. Of course, we checked and wiggled things and made sure that everything was all right, just to ensure that everything was fine. And as you can see with me, we're looking at it together. Everything looks okay. I won't say perfect, because obviously it's got age-related rust underneath it. That's all due to the car not being maintained underneath it. Ideally, you want to do a winter prep and a post-winter prep, because during the winter in the UK we have salt on the ground, and this car, if it's been driven every day, is going through these salts. So this is what you're seeing. There's a rust on the spring, but it's nothing that will impact anything at all. And I just want to bring it to you for you to see what you're getting, or to see how the underneath of a 16-year-old car that has not been cared for underneath, this is how it looks like. Pre-winter prep and post-winter prep are so important, especially for the underneath of the vehicle, because you don't see it. Nobody cares about the underneath. Who cares about, oh, let me go and see? The only people that cares about it is the mechanics, and when it comes to them wrestling with rusted bolts and nuts and stuff like that. So it's very important for us, if you love your car, do a pre-winter prep and post-winter prep in order to ensure that your car is always in top gear. We've got other videos of these vehicles, so please do well to check the other videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you love the content we are creating. I'm trying to bring you as much content as possible, so please try to subscribe to support the channel so that we grow together. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.